Kita kung set two. Good point. Barrera. Ready. Pass for the opening. No good. Rebound by Barrera again. Barrera. For two. No good. And good back out by Quijano. Takes it in. No good. Black shot. The ball out. And steal. Martinez. Nakita pasahan. And back up. No good. Rebound by Pasao. Martinez.
Nice pass!
Behind 2 points. Pasao. Pass to number 15. To the ball for 2. 2 points. Shot number 14 and steal. Pasao. 2 points. Pasao. And 2 points. No good. And Barrera. Pass break chance. And
Time out.
Barrera. Shot clock at 14. Martinez for 3. Bang! 3 points. And Pasao good. Pass to number 47. Placing in. And Pasao.
Again!
No good. Rebound by Demonel. And number 7.
Open!
To number 55. No good. Rebound by Pasao. Pass to Jets. And no good. Basket count and 1 by
Isa pa!
Garcera. Ito yung another. Rebound by Pasao. And Pasao. And there's a foul. Foul by Leona. To number 77. And again, A-Frame. It's in from the Leona. Pasao. Pass to Pasao. For 3 points. Adayona. And it's still by Luka Nabi. Barrera. Making it 2 points for Barrera. 18.
Double kayo.
9 in favor of Luka Nabi. For 2 points by Jersey Bulls. Pasao. No points by Pasao. Knocking down and agawa ng bola. Bonares. Rebound by Pasao. Barrera racing in. Pass to Pasao. Pasao drive. And no good. Rebound by Adayona. Oh, there's a foul.
Doon na!
Remaining minutes. First quarter. Pasao. No good. Rebound by Lupian. To Martinez. Pass to steal. Pasao. Pass to his father. Pasao for 3. No good. Rebound by Jersey Bulls. Lupian. Drag. 14-18. What a highlight play by Bonares. Barrero, shot clock at 14. Barrera for 3. Barrera. Score. 3 points. Barrera. 2 points. 3 points. Barrera. Morales. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 7.